Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima, and today in this video I'm going to unbox a new product, which is a guitar case from Gator or Gator cases. It is GWE-ACOU 3/4 economy, which is basically a guitar case for polar guitars. And as usual, I'm going to use this knife for unboxing. I'm going to open from that side, and I'm going to do it mostly off screen. This guitar case is made of durable plywood with an archtop design for adding structural strength. Exterior covered in black Tolex PVC, making it water resistant and easy to clean. Interior features a thick plush lining to prevent scratches and cushion the guitar, and hardware are made of sturdy chrome plated latches, and one of them is lockable. So the question is why I purchased this guitar case. First of all, and I'm going to show you later in this video, it gives you a much better protection, this kind of hard case, comparing to a gig bag. And I'm going to show you what kind of gig bag I have. It's affordable. It's something like less than 1,000 Norwegian kroner, which is $90, I guess. And in addition, in this guitar case, there is a little compartment under the neck of the guitar. You can put your, I don't know, strings, tuner, and picks. By the way, this is the register card, and you cannot register your guitar case from Gator out of the US. It's very interesting. And that was not the only registration card. It feels like a good material. It feels like gives you good protection, and it's not that expensive. The latches, the handle of the guitar are economy type. The name of the guitar case is the 3/4 economy. So you can expect, if you use this guitar case a lot, you can expect some damages during the time. This is that compartment, and this is the second registration card, um, which is not very useful. Anyway, that's the keys for the lock. And comparing to the gig bag, it's this case is like between 3 to 4 kilogram. So comparing to the gig bag, it's heavier. But as you can see, it's very good design. This is my, if you may or may not know, my Gretsch Jim Dandy, which is my parlor guitar, and this is the gig bag, and you can see this is just a cover. It's not much protection, and all the time I was worried about this guitar, if I needed to carry it with me. So I'm going to be less worried now about this guitar with this case, and you're going to see it's, what say in English, fits like a glove. I think I read or maybe heard something about that this case has a little bit problem. It's a little bit tight for Little Martin, which is another parlor guitar. Anyway, I'm going to put the dimensions of this guitar case on the screen for you. Um, it's small, it's practical. This is the handle I'm talking about, and you can see the latches in the middle. It's the one that is lockable, and good protection for the case. You can see if you put it on the ground. So basically, I'm happy, and I'm going to be less worried now. Thanks for watching this video. Share this video with your friends, hit the like button, and consider to subscribe to this channel. Till next time, take care.